Mom, why can't we slither like the snakes? It looked like so much fun to glide on the ground and explore.
Mom, why can't we fly like those birds? It must be incredible to soar through the sky and see everything from above.
My darlings, everyone is born different, just like the colors of the rainbow. Each of us has our own special talents and gifts.
That's right, little ones. We are all unique, like pieces of a puzzle that fit together perfectly.
We should celebrate our differences,
because that's what makes the world such a wonderful place.